Guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can change your Microsoft account in Windows 11. So let's get started and let's get into the video. First of all, you have to go into Start menu, then you have to, on this tab you have to left click, and after that you have to click Change Account Settings, and then you are going to click Sign in with a local account, and you are going to skip this step, and after that you have to click Next. Then you are going to type in your password. Then you have to click OK. After that you have to click Next, and then you are going to go into Microsoft account, your Microsoft account again. You are going to click next, left click on this, and then you are going to click Change Account Settings. Here you can change your Microsoft account in Windows 11. So here it is, sign in with a Microsoft account. Instead you have to click over that. Now it's loading up. Wait for a second. So right now we are on the Microsoft sign in page. Then we are going to type in our email. We are going to click Next. Then we are going to use my password. Then I'm going to type in my password. I've entered my password. Then I'm going to click Next. Now here you can see that we have changed our Microsoft account. Thanks for watching, and please make sure, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our future videos tech related. And don't forget to like our video. Thank you. Have a nice day.